Hey everyone, this is Jose, and I want to talk to you home sellers about the changes in the real estate market. There's good news and bad news. Good news is you got a pay cut. Now, uh, you are allowed to pay zero to a buyer's agent in order to get your home sold. In other words, in the past, sellers used to pay the seller's agent or the listing agent as usually called, and they would also pay the buyer's agent. Now, you're only required to pay the listing agent, who's the person who works for you anyway. The buyer's agent works for the buyer. But in the past, even though buyer's agent worked for the buyer's agent was paid by the seller, which in a way is a little wonky and creates conflicts. So to clean things up, at least that's what this change in rules is designed to do. The buyers will pay the buyer's agent and the sellers will pay the seller's agent. Now, there's some unintended consequences here. This means the sellers will potentially get more at the end of the day when they close to sell their home. The buyers, on the other hand, are going to pay more at closing to buy the same homes they used to buy previously because now they have the additional cost of paying their buyer's agent. Now, what does this create? It creates a scenario where you have first-time home buyers who previously had enough cash on their own and also through down payment and closing cost assistance programs to purchase a home. This additional cost may make it that is no longer possible for them to afford your home, and they may have to go look at less expensive homes. Or they could say, I really like your home. I'm willing to make an offer on your home, but it is going to be conditioned on asking for a seller credit. And what are they going to use a seller credit for? To help pay the buyer's agent. So you're going to have a choice to make. If you have enough clean offers that don't require a seller's concession, then you just choose from one of those offers. If you don't have a lot of offers and offers that are good have seller's concessions, you have a choice to make. Continue waiting for an offer that's clean, or accept the offer that has the requirement of the seller's concession. If this is making your head spin, don't worry. Give me a call, drop a comment in the notes, and let's talk about what we can do to help you get your home sold for the best price possible. Thank you and enjoy this beautiful day.